In this video, we'll discuss about calculation of red blood cell indices. What is red blood cell indices? Red blood cell indices are calculated parameter. It is a calculated parameters derived from a complete blood count that provide information about the size, hemoglobin content and variation in size of RBC. So RBC indices are calculated parameter derived from complete blood count. Where we derived from complete blood count, what are the information it provide? Size, hemoglobin content and variation in a size of RBC. So that RBC indices include mean corpuscular volume MCV, mean corpuscular hemoglobin MCH, mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration MCHC, then red cell distribution width RDW, red cell distribution width. These indices help for classifying anemias and assessing the health of RBC. By using these indices, we can classify anemia and assessing health of RBCs. So now calculation of red blood cell indices. First one is mean corpuscular volume, the average volume of single RBC. So this one average volume of single RBC, it is calculated by dividing the hematocrit by the red blood cell count. So formula hematocrit divided by RBC count. The normal range of mean corpuscular volume 80 to 100 femtoliter, 80 to 100 femtoliter. Then mean corpuscular hemoglobin, the average amount of hemoglobin per RBC. So average amount of hemoglobin per RBC. So formula hemoglobin divided by RBC count. The normal range of mean corpuscular hemoglobin 21 to 31 picogram. Then mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration, the average concentration of hemoglobin within a RBC. So formula here, average concentration of hemoglobin within RBC, hemoglobin divided by hematocrit. Normal range 32 to 37 gram per deciliter. Next, red cell distribution width. Red cell distribution width, a measure of variation in RBC size. So here variation in RBC size, here size, anisocytosis. So the formula here they will give percentage standard deviation of RBC volume divided by MCV into 100. So standard deviation of RBC volume divided by mean corpuscular volume into 100. The normal range 11.5 to 14.5 percentage. Understanding the significance of RBC indices, MCV, that mean corpuscular volume, help for differentiate between microcytic, normocytic and macrocytic anemia. So here based on their size we can differentiate three different type of anemia. Microcytic means that normal RBC size become small, so microcytic. Then normocytic, normal size only but it causes anemia. Then macrocytic cell enlargement like megaloblastic anemia, like that. Three based on their that size, microcytic, normocytic, macrocytic, three type of anemia differentiate we need mean corpuscular volume. Next, mean corpuscular hemoglobin and mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration provide information about that hemoglobin content and concentration within RBC. So here provide information about hemoglobin content and concentration within RBC. how much content and concentration presented within that RBC. This one aiding for identification of hypochromic, that color, normal color, pale color, hypochromic color changes, and normochromic anemia's identification. We are using that MCH and mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration. Next, red cell distribution width. This one indicate the degree of anisocytosis. Here they are measuring that size of red blood cell, which can be evaluate in that condition like iron deficiency anemia, thalassemia, and certain type of anemias. So here anisocytosis measurement we are using RDW. So red blood cell indices are valuable tools for clinicians in assessing the health of RBC and classifying anemia. Main function classifying anemia. In this video discussed calculation of red cell indices, 4 indices, calculation, then average range. So this one is giving valuable information for clinician for assessing RBC health and classifying anemias. Thanks for watching.